Valve has shook up the gaming world with its bold new hardware reveal, and leading the charge is Steam Frame VR. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your place to get all the tech news. Steam Frame VR is a virtual reality headset that doesn't just handle VR games, it narrows the gap between Android apps and Steam, letting players dive into mobile titles on their PC platform like never before. According to The Verge, Valve is actively encouraging developers to port Android apps and VR experiences directly to Steam. To make it easy, the company is launching a Steam Frame developer kit, giving creators who are familiar with Android APKs the tools to bring their VR content to the new headset without hassle. Valve engineer Jeremy Ceylon says, from the user's perspective, they don't even have to think about it. They just download the titles on Steam and hit play. Behind the scenes, Steam Frame runs on an ARM-based Qualcomm Snapdragon chip, letting Android games run natively on the device. That means no awkward or clunky workarounds, just smooth gameplay, whether it's a mobile VR title or a traditional Steam game. But Steam Frame isn't Valve's only trick. The company also revealed a Steam machines designed to bring PC games into your living room, like the console, plus a brand new Steam controller. While pricing details remain under wraps, hardware engineer Yazan Al-Dehayat teased to IGN that the Steam machine will be competitively priced, offering PC-level performance at a console-friendly cost. Valve's latest hardware upgrade brings a new era of gaming, where VR, mobile, and PC worlds are mixing and making Steam not just a platform, but a full-blown powerhouse. So, which Android game are you playing first? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.